Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute a friend story on Facebook. You can follow the steps that I'm going to say in this video. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. And here we could see on the top, these are the stories of my friends, and navigate to the story of the friend you want to mute or unmute. And stories are typically displayed at the top of the news feed on the friend's profile. So I'm going to pick one of them, and we simply have to hold on the story, and this will bring up a menu of options. And in the menu that appears, you will see the option to mute. Here it says mute Prasamsa's story. Tap on the mute story, which is on the first. You can mute for 24 hours, for 1 week, or you can mute this story until you unmute yourself. So you can pick any of the option, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to pick the third one and select the mute option. And that's it guys, we just muted one of the story. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for upcoming uploads.